unim say Monday na no pa no na nkofo so mo tena ka mu konsu atre so moi c'est police for ntimi nya adwuma they will go there and bring the perpetrators so mo kofa mo ba the intervention of two
I just say
prominent people
yes na bas ba ko yes na bas dem yen sam
prominent people
omo waso ase ne you know agada mo
see they are going there and they will announce so mo ba they know some through a mema yo kro nya be dwane but omo de mo nimba bi omo kwakofa nipa kon de omo ba eti no enra cause supporters they catch the IGP na yeme de say omo de even the police for omo trust you na nimo omo anko kan nje yo say ade ni see na the police for omo anya hwe die ye trust say ade we
that is what I'm saying na me ka say yeah start to me ami ko tro me de #justice for Poli
Arishe mo bibia kwa bananu adare hosemu esiye ewa Asante Mantemu ne nam so ama Poli ehwe ne nkwa no Ghana fo bebre astarte kan nsam dodo na edefa na ebre okopie mu ewa yensu atreman na wo mpese wo mode wo mo hyen ni wura mu na ebinum so esi wo mo kwan se wo mo mpese wo mode hyen no ebe wura mu entawantaw bebre ne course me gidi yesa nsam wesiye no Wuti bi anam so ema brantie Poli ehwe ne nkwa wagya nkwada nsia ewa akire ene eyere no aha etu ma GH so mekai wo na masre won so say bomode na subscribe na like share video no efama me ema remfi sebe oni so obe boss wo sebe ya upload bi atoma obetumi anya bi ahwe na wanya bi nso watie Prophet Dr. Abednego number ne so ne the screen asano frɛ no de ha wo fo abrabo mu nyina no mo awo empa no yi emfa emma medofo sɛ ya kwansam ni mu yi ebra Poli to anananom ewa ensia do na kamia ye sɛ ka Asante Kotoko yi pa titiri ani Asante Mantemu de okopie mu hono mu a dodo na na aka wo mesan sɛ wo mu kire mu a Poli die hard fan de ma Asante Kotoko enya nne ene okokodi Asante Kotoko achi wodi wo machi acha papa enti eba ne sa no na kamia isa dodo na enim Poli san sensemi eba ya pegana fo binu ma hyase enti IGP wo mayimu enti aposifo wo mayimu bibia akoda amene IGP akopie mu ewo eye Poli abusu afie no ne maame twetwe nkomo na nsemu maame ne kan ne nam so ma IGP be ma pa woti ni suo na kyerese mu wrem maame ne so nde woni hwia wo ka woni seku woni sempu a wo gye ade afiri so aterman na mom wo ba mpa na afi wo de ato da mpare anim se won hwe na tentere ne emfamra ema Poli ya hwe bra IGP kopie mu wo ho na ne maame ene no edidi nkomo no owie na be ma katachie pa woti ni suo ye hwe video ne mra ne ba eniama asabe ka ho no ye de atwas
ampade ba maka kire so ma pepeye e ba ne die e ma mpempem kura no a menya no nanso di okun no sade e me ba e kwa wonam a wokọ park ne so a me ba na ntimi ama no ya asese amansan nyina ehunu se woni wawu wo yese ye ma amansan nyina ehunu di okun no na di aba woni ne ye no ona na ye ona so me sade me ko doctor hwemani ese so pese na ebubugu ye mana beto ama me oso okọ aba no abesina ko tomedru 11 million aka mana ko to ama me kapre ni mensam ntimi nya adwuma ono ne ko di dwabre me na me ko asore ko ama je ko to collection abesa me ka de he na me jade he menim ni ameka me jebi ese e wo no 89 ntimo amons mon check
Arishe nsem bo nyina akoko wie ya no na kamia ese nka no atwa nanso no Asante Kotokofo akire mu wo mani abre ene ya Asante man wo mo ya die hard fans no mekire wo mo di wo makoma ne wo mo nipadua nyina di football match no akini na wo mo so sore ya wo mo se wo mo ntiase IGP awura mo IGP nwura mo wo mo nso ebe ye di o mbetumi bia no ma patentene ne edi ama Poli no ntini wo mo boa wo mo ho ano akopie mu nso atrema no wo mo nim se wo mo koduru ho no mo a mema ne bi betoto na no na bi no mo ka ne se wo pese mo sa so mema nyina de kono mo amabiem de ene mo nyere mo na mo konsu atrema ensam mo abrantie edu tudwa eni
ene ye wasam kapa kire IGP ne mpanyifo no unim se Monday na no pa no na nkofo so mo tena ka mu konsu atre So more say police for into me juma. They will go there and bring the perpetrators. The intervention of two
I just say
prominent people.
Yes, any bus baku. Yes, the bus is them and some
prominent people.
Omo was swasene, you know, I got down
Mama see they are going there and they will announce Moba. They know some through a member who couldn't be but I'm going to be a coffin back on the Maba. It's no, and no, because supporters they catch the IGP Nayamede. Say, Omodia, even the police for no trust you. Nanimo mango can enjoy you. So I didn't see and now police for no man and trust is but we'll give you the benefit of the doubt. Let nobody think say somebody said the hunty and yes so no. So I just saw a pressure table as ya. So I said we better stop playing football in Ghana. Yet to be mobile.
And nothing wants every president at what.
Chamo boys me say Sunday and you be Monday anopan. Almost say they want to announce to the people of Israel Omo. They will give the car numbers of Monday Bazeba. Near Baba Chenko found your mother. He said, Post vote to Chomukomo Post votes Roma. We will come and take them. And I tell you, if a young penny phone the Belma, Chamu, Kazanke better than Kenyas Papa. And I deal with untimim branch table as will be review. And not possible. If you speak to the Kotoko supporters now, you're team anymore. Those who saw with their eyes, I don't want to go Pedaku and shock. He knew it was unsafe because still I am confronting grounds. But the pain who are calling say, I can't say or catch a police from Mania or Pedagrams or the back one. Sanko for the Nibreno Mania Breno. So you're paying off and say, oh, Ghana, the Assemba, first 2 weeks, and then go for Rebefi. Sasem will show teams of Eurobefia. We will see worse things in our football. And if it will take years to solve this issue and have an amicable solution, it is better. Don't think that unim sa still go for every kwa be for so ese bo league in this year o body akwere
I'm say me tell Alaja can be say TVC Boka
and yes here bo and no lawyer be say
some the human life
say cause was suspending football activities omo can suspend here to say yes here boy ade oh he spoke on one top TV station in Accra and I was so disappointed omo dey we di agora. We will see multiples of reprisal attacks. We won't pay. But media say I'll blow the information once I have it. And I'm telling you that on Sunday night and Monday morning, the boys organize themselves. They will bring the people. I'm a poli. We don't want the optics. IGP Abane Akone ne Omaka say you can for you bibia
it's on the 17th of February number court
beam.
Yes.
And who is the court? Your reporter, media general reporter na Ojawa Ocha video no. Me de bemo mo yisi yekoba. Ocha video na igna shows nko for no. Enye o. Ba for wa. Still almost say umu de bibia mbo twa bo hu de be ho ha. E court premises o. Court premises. I have the video. I'll give you. Yeah, PF free court now. Reporter, news reporter, here reporter. Okay, F in a case no more. Or G phone or G camera.
I say the only thing on the phones also me and say also organize buses. They go court case no more.
And my catch them for my special case no question transfer kwakra. Obi o match ni bia so de kwa Accra CID headquarters. Will be that so be there police, even politicians they transfer them to CID headquarters. So that we will take them away from the zone where they think because as some okay. O say on my plan that 17th they will storm there. They will go there because and no branch your phone media general camera no there you must say even at the time Monsem hunu akunipa no o say well and sound about ba u challenge no obesi you camera out there 17th if they don't take care ubenya buses load of Kotoko fans almost some come to money be there chirenya say dia asem kwani akotwese no so they will go there and if they are there now so your bad for support and you be camera kotwa na say obe attack ya lady ya no wadumi owu yi majoa asaneba askwa koto na nipa abusafo be go police ne accuse no ba omudi na tam sana nsa hye ndabiri fam ana e da akotra kan e wona asa be react wa kuni panese ba na so uso obi twa mfonyini nti no onkrofo bu besafu. It happened. I have the video. We'll show it to the viewers on Facebook and TV. You will see it. And omunu chamo. The see your court and run it as omunu. no mo kana bonte oh we dey say nye case no azia mo bill ne ko we dey enko ba bia he san nkofo no mo di eche say enko ba bia wo na be hawo uti nsu atrewa na mema tam wa sheka boot e do abakuma na e ka kire wo ye betam do wa sheka boot o mo fa ntra inside unu mo aduna boys na fa you kill somebody without provocation
that is why also police there you for not try to solve the be obi akoma beto ne yam that is why I'm saying na me ka say yeah start to me control me there #JusticeForPolly let's solve the way obi akoma beto ne yam say amom ye no emra ne o madi poli abusuafo ko beto ne makoma beto mo yam ene yi nyina enye sa akora no onyi no ade oni tim nya revenge seven prediasa that you no so go for bibi dia ko on eya emwa
enra Christian kan de na Christian kan de na me ra ho pa na me ra ho
ara forum na ha na brema akwan e ma ye de yankomo no nyina no esi ye mekire wo se ensam we ba ye nyina no wo betumi a kire wadwene e wo comment section no ase ba modern a kire wadwene entra se empense mu enfama na me kai obiom so se ensam a ebobo ba no afi anoden ye hwe ye husu yi e wo niema bi a ye de ye huwura mu esansa asofo ne nkomhya hodo e ba ye no wo ma me yate ase sa afi memu ani bewu pa enti wo ye be ma na wo hwe me amesrew se obehwe husu yi no akora wo na nkoba ne sa to renchem akwakoto esan bi akwakoto wo kwan mu na sabe wo so ni amapa anya mede wura wo na ntimi ama enu Ibrahim de ejina ha na too much ahwefo ya to e hyeden kase pa ena dia ma pole ma me ne yire ni sabi emansi a waje kire se Ghana fo behwe na wo ma boa dia wo mo mpamu abi mfa mo ankwada ne sanse enkwada nsia de obatan wo bebre pa too much je so ena wo busu a wo hwe me kai wo dia me je so e ye dwa so hema ya all the social media platform no so ye be say share